Study shows prescription drug overdoses have quadrupled in Indiana.
One Carroll County family knows the pain of losing someone to pills. News 18's Kelly Roberts reports on the epidemic the family is fighting.
19-year-old Brady Noonkester was a football player, baseball player, wrestler, and Indiana National Guard member. But he was also an addict, something his family found out too late.
Brady one night took just too many pills, and they weren't his, and that's a common thing that happens with kids. They're taking pills that don't belong to them.
Brady's father, Dustin Noonkester, says the mixture of pills, which included methadone, killed the recent Carroll High School graduate the night of June 9th, 2012. Unfortunately, Brady's death was one of thousands of prescription drug overdoses that year. In a study by Trust for America's Health, it says prescription drug overdoses have quadrupled in 10 years in Indiana. In 2010, about 14 out of every 100,000 people died of a pill overdose. That number was about 3 out of 100,000 in 1999. Director of Tippecanoe County's Drug-Free Coalition, Kate Kerrigan, says there needs to be more awareness about prescription drugs addictiveness.
It is safe for the purposes that it's prescribed, but I think a lot of people tend to think that if it was prescribed for my sister, then I can use it safely too.
When you take prescription drugs that aren't yours, you're just taking drugs.
Kerrigan says lock up your medicine in the house and do not just throw away leftover pills. West Lafayette Police and Indiana State Police hold frequent events where you can have them dispose of leftover medications. Noonkester is also trying to raise awareness about prescription drug addiction. He created Brady's Hope, fighting for a drug-free community after his son's death. It raises money to bring speakers to schools, improve the community's DARE program, and help with law enforcement agencies' canine units.
Carroll County is sick and tired. We're fed up, and we're going to fight for our kids' lives.
Kelly Roberts, News 18.